Spongebob 13 part 9. Okay, we have to go to get the water. Pick up the guy. Okay, I'll be here scared. I twist. Hot. You like the crab patties and the Krusty Krab. Okay. That's good. Let's get it down. Yeah. Hey, you got the kids the Krusty Krabby. Hey, woo! Yeah, we go again on the Krabby. Wow, my Krabby Patty. Wow, my Krusty Krab. Wow, my Spongebob. Spongebob, what are you doing? We gonna pull. Okay, there they go. Okay. Get the Krusty Krab. One. And then get like Krusty Krab. And SpongeBob. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Oh my gosh! My gosh! No! My get away on the ground! Ah! Meow! And then pour. And there's the ocean and out. Oh, get it.